about the another name reaction known as Robinson emulation. So Robinson proposed this reaction, and annulation means ring formation. This reaction is mainly used for the construction of the 6-member ring, like your Diels-Alder reaction. 4 pi plus 2 pi electron cyclization. See, Robinson annulation. What is the relevance for the Robinson annulation here? That is, in the last video we discussed about the Michael addition. That is nucleophilic addition on activated ethylenic center, where the nucleophile is carbanion, is called nucleophilic addition reaction on activated ethylenic center or alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. The attacking nucleophile is carbanion, is called as the Michael addition. See, what way it is related to the Robinson annulation? See, Michael addition followed by internal aldol condensation leads to form the 6-member ring. Michael addition plus internal aldol condensation leads to the formation of a cyclic compound. This process is called as the Robinson annulation. Michael addition followed by internal aldol condensation is called as the Robinson annulation. It is mainly used for the preparation of the 6-member rings, polycyclic molecules. This is Robinson annulation. See, I am writing Michael addition plus internal, meaning of the internal or intramolecular, internal aldol condensation is called as Robinson annulation. Robinson annulation. This is a little extension. See, the all Michael additions may not lead to the Robinson annulation, but if the Michael addition is carried, on alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, Michael addition on alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes and ketones, followed by internal aldol condensation is called as that is Robinson annulation. See here, for Michael addition I am writing, that is, this is the more commonly used, this is this cyclohexanone. This is treated with that is plus commonly used reagent methyl vinyl ketone. Methyl vinyl ketone. This is alpha beta unsaturated. This is nothing but the activated ethylenic center this is the electron withdrawing group minus M group. This takes part in the nucleophilic addition reaction. And if the nucleophile is the carbanion, then it is called as the Michael addition. That is called as the Michael addition. Here what happens? Now this is the source for the carbanion. This it takes part in the nucleophilic addition reaction. That is, this is called as the Michael donor. This is called as the Michael acceptor. Michael donor, Michael acceptor. So anyhow, in toto, it is there. If I treat with the base, then what happens? We'll show the mechanism of the reaction. This is the product of the reaction. This is product of the reaction. Cyclization. This is the ring 1. This is mu ring is formed during this process. What is happening? So let us see. This is treated with the base. This is the ketone with alpha hydrogen. Aldehydes and ketones with alpha hydrogen treated with the base, they produce the carbanion, which is a nucleophile. Carbanion is generated plus H2. You know the mechanism of the reaction. Now, this is the source for the carbanion. This is known as the Michael donor. Now, what is happening? This takes part in this is the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. If you take the alpha beta unsaturated compound, there are two additions are possible. 1,2 addition, which is known as the direct addition. This is 1,4 addition, which is known as the conjugate addition. So this is weak nucleophile. By weak nucleophile, the negative charge is decreasing due to the delocalization, resonance. Enolate ion is formed, you know. This is the enolate ion. Charge is delocalizing. As the charge delocalization, the amount of the charge on the carbon is decreasing. This is. Now what happens? This attacks on this. So now what happens? This moves like this. This comes here. Due to this, what happens? Now, taken the wrongly, I have taken this one and then the right posture. Okay. This is the this is formed. This is attacking here, this is coming to, this is the corresponding structure form. So now, this arm, going back, this gives the negative charge. This takes from water, it takes the H plus ion and converted into this form. Hydrogen and minus OH minus is supplying the H plus ion. This is the case, right? Now, this is providing negative charge. Let me write like this. Just I am changing the angle. Just same thing. I am writing the other way. Now this is again, that is OH minus. It is created here. Now it is a dicarbonyl, you see. This is carbonyl, this is carbonyl. It is in the base medium. This is the alpha center, alpha hydrogen. OH minus ion is removing the hydrogens. Again negative charge is formed. Now carbanion generated on the alpha carbon atom. This is the methyl vinyl ketone. Methyl vinyl ketone, popularly known as the MVK. Methyl vinyl ketone. Alpha beta unsaturated ketone. This is attacking on this internal aldol condensation carbanion attack that leads to the formation of if you want you can write this is the double bond O. Now this is formed. This is now converted into from water it takes the H plus ion and converted into these are the small steps. Now this takes part in the presence of base, it takes part in the even Cb elimination. Automatically, these are the acidic hydrogens, this hydrogen, so this is even Cb. So elimination takes place. Now you are getting this compound bicyclohexane. This is bicyclohexane. This is the double bond O. This is the product of the reaction. If you want to give the name bicyclo, this is 4,4. The decene, 4,4 decene, 4,4,0 decene. That is the number is not where is E in? Number is not indicated. Therefore, it should be between the 1 and 2. Or bicyclo deca 1 E, dec 1 E. This is the product form. So this is cyclization. So monocyclic compound is converted into the bicycle. You can remove all those things what is there, and this is on treatment with the alkali and hydrazine. This is hydrazine and alkali heating. This is removed, and everything we can eliminate the carbonyl group. We can eliminate the double bond. That is everything we can remove. That's the cyclohexane can be prepared. Bicyclo compound can be prepared. This is called as the Robinson addition. So this is giving the in toto. This is giving the methyl vinyl ketone. Is giving this one. And you can take now the product of this is again. Suppose if it is treated with again methyl vinyl ketone. See. Again methyl vinyl carbonyl compound. This is the alpha carbon, alpha hydrogens. In the presence of base, this provides the carbanion. Again, I am repeating again. If it is repeated again, then what happens? This is the case. Carbanion is generated. This carbanion base. This carbanion, again methyl vinyl ketone. Why are you taking the methyl vinyl ketone again and again? See, methyl vinyl ketone is an example of that is Michael acceptor, alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. So this is carbanion addition on the carbon-carbon double bond is called as the Michael addition. Now Michael addition is going to take place. Due to this, what happens? I am condensing the steps. This double bond O, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. This again further reacts in the presence of the base simultaneously. Carbanion is generated, it attacks here. Now you get the this is the double bond. So attack followed by one is this, 2 is water. This OH is formed. This loses the water and forms the so I'm going that side. The anthracene moiety is formed, not completed, it's not anthracene. The moiety is formed. This is formed. Again you can carry out. One more ring. One more, that is Robinson annulation. Michael addition followed by, see, from here, this is the Michael addition. Michael addition. This is aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. Internal aldol condensation. This leads to the overall process called as the Robinson. If you carry out the again Robinson annulation, again one more ring is constructed by taking the methyl vinyl ketone. So this is something about the Robinson annulation. So you may ask and we can take this also. See, this is the cyclohexane 1,3-diol. Just I am introducing the concept. This is the center. This is the alpha hydrogen, highly acidic, readily forms the carbanion. Now what you do, that is you are treating with the, and this is methyl vinyl ketone in the presence of this. Ultimately you get the this is the product form. How? See, this is the Michael donor, carbanion donor. This is the carbanion donor. Now the Michael addition is taking place. This attacks on this. You know the mechanism. I am condensing the. This is double bond O, double bond O. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 for your information. 2, 3 and 4. This is the that is taking place. You know, here carbanion is formed, it takes the, one more hydrogen. This is required. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, it is converted into the, in the presence of base, it is converted into the Michael addition is over, MA is over. Now, this is the carbanion is generated. This attacks on this center. This gives the 1, 2, 3, 4 on carbonyl carbon. This loses even CV. You know all this terminology. That is the presence of base elimination is taking place. This is the product form. Right? This is the product form. So that is, this is the Michael donor. there are two carbonyl groups. The alpha hydrogens are highly acidic hydrogens, more readily take part in the process. See, you may ask, this is the meant for only, that is the cyclohexane, hexanone? No, we can take the what open chain compounds also. Let me take this is the acetone, right? Plus, what we are doing, one vinyl methyl ketone. This is the best this thing, methyl vinyl ketone, treated with the alkali and heat. Robinson annihilation. There are two steps. The first step is that is Michael addition. Second step is the internal aldol condensation. And third step is the loss of water to create the double bond. First step is the C. Here to here. For anyway, here to here is the Michael addition. This is here to here, Michael addition is over. Here to here, internal aldol condensation is over. Aldol condensation. Here to here, elimination of the alcohol and formation of that is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. This is the three-step reaction. So overall reaction is called as the Michael addition. OH minus. What happens here? And this is the 1, 2, 3. Let me write like this. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1 prime, 2 prime, 3 prime, 4 prime, for your information. What happens here? That's a take place. So first thing, double bond O, this is formed. See, 1, 2, 3. 1 prime, 2 prime, 3 prime, 4 prime. How it is formed? Same mechanism. This is the alpha carbon. Carbanion is generated. Carbanion is generated. This carbanion is attacking on methyl vinyl ketone. This is the Michael attack, Michael donor, Michael acceptor. This is going here. When it goes here, that takes ultimately it is converted into this by taking the water, H plus ion from water, 1 prime carbon. This is the, and 1, 2, 3, whatever it is, and just for your information, I am putting the numbers. This is, now, C3, C1 prime. Bond is forming. C3, 1 prime bond is formed. This is formed. This is Michael addition is completed. This is the Michael addition. Nucleophilic attack of the carbanion on that is activated ethnic center is called as Michael addition. This is a alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. It is a Michael acceptor. This is. Now you see. And this can take part in again internal aldol condensation. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if you treat with the base here, what happens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Carbanion here or here, both are equivalent sites. Now this is attacking on this internal aldol condensation now taking place. Carbanion is generated and that is this is, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is and 6-member ring is forming. If this involved in the 5-member ring formation is not stable, this and this both are same. This way or that way, symmetrical. Now what happens? This is the six-member ring is forming. O minus. This is, here it is formed. This is the star carbon, this is the star carbon, the attacking on this is formed. This is ultimately converted into this is by taking the water, I need not write the water to this, and ultimately again OH minus. So this is the hydrogen, this is acidic hydrogen, so OH minus removes this, so even Cb elimination. This is even Cb elimination. This is the final product of the reaction. So these two are producing the, let me write here, these two are producing the final product. Let it be like this, alpha beta unsaturated. This is formed. So it is possible even in the open chain compounds also. So Michael addition followed by Robinson annihilation is called as that's Michael addition followed by, this is internal aldol condensation is called as the Robinson annihilation. This is mainly meant for the preparation of the 6-member rings or polycyclic compounds.